Just made it to Berlin. It's 12 o'clock on the dot. I'm not in the drop top, but I'm in Berlin. But we gonna see. Probably got a crash here outside. Who knows? We didn't book a hostel. And it's 12 o'clock. And in Amsterdam, you couldn't check in after 10. So we're gonna do some calling around, see what it is, what it ain't. Oh, and the URL, I like it. I like it. I'll probably do an in-depth video on it. This is the first day being on the URL. So after moving around and whatnot, probably do an in-depth $8, $12 per night. Oh wait, hold up. Just said we had to find a hostel. We just found something for $12 per night. 12 euros, excuse me. 12 euros per night. That sounds groovy. But yeah, I'll probably do a whole nother video explaining the experience with the Eurail, how I like it, how it's like. But like I said, this was day one and it was pretty cool. But you do have to be on time. I will say that. You do have to be on time because that mug, when it's gone, it's gone. And when it get, dang, this is exquisite. It's low-key stuff everywhere. B.
This shit ain't nothing like the Netherlands. Everybody speaking German, no English.
This is true. Even the people on the train, they spoke no English. No English, straight Dutch. Luckily, you can kind of understand people when they not speaking English. I don't know if that makes sense, but like hand gestures, tone of voice. Like we was asking the lady if it was the right train. She was like, yeah, we like where we sit. She basically just said, go in there and sit your ass down, fuck down. Go in there and sit down anywhere. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, but man, this place is nice. This place is nice.
Oh, that's a real person.
Yes. You know that's how they talk out here, bro. Virgin? They still got Virgin. I guess so, that makes sense. Alright, so yeah, I'll be back. More updates soon. Nigga said, you speak English? Where's the food at?
Entschuldigung. Wo ist das Essen? Wo ist das Essen?
McDonald's oder sowas? Eine Etage tiefer. Das ist das Einzige, was noch aufmacht. McDonald's, eine Etage tiefer oder Döner?
Thank you.
Danke, danke.
Danke.
Kein Problem.
Kein Problem, no problem.
Hello, tell him again.
kind problem.
Oh, hold up. Show him what's on. Show him what's on there. He ain't taking that off.
What?
I was saying, show him the hoodie. It's too late now.
Oh yeah.
He's gonna put it on. He's taking it back off just to show y'all. It's real in the field.
You know I got sponsored by those guys. Duolingo, give me a call.
All right, so like I said, it's 12. Pretty late. We still at the train station. McDonald's is open though, so I'm finna try this McDonald's, see what it's hitting for. Another country, I always hear it's better. I don't know how old y'all are, but I remember back in the day, McDonald's had the chicken wrap. So I got the chicken wrap, fries, and a Fanta. Doesn't look like they have straws, and the Fanta actually looks like orange juice. So I'm gonna try that first. And they don't put ice in it, so I guess it's chilled, but it's cold. Let's see what this here for. What you end up getting? Oh, and I'm finna slide the barbecue sauce on there. I should have said no mayo. I'm gonna be rocking with the mayo, but it is what it is. But that's good. I'm threw some barbecue sauce on there too. I like the sweet chipotle spice or something like that. All right, so currently we have a dilemma. It's about 1 o'clock. No hostels are available in Berlin until Saturday. We was planning on leaving on Friday. So we stuck between a couple options. Hop back on the train, catch a night train to Cologne. We're gonna end up having to be there for a little longer. So 2 days, then come back. Or we're trying to get this couch surfing app to work. Mine unfortunately will not work because I logged in with Facebook and it's an old email address, so I can't contact anybody. We see if Hodge can. If not, we might be fluffed up. And would be probably just going straight to Cologne. That train leaves at 4. We don't have to reserve a seat because it's not international, it's regional. So that'll be a dub. But we'd still have to wait in Cologne for about 5 hours before we could check in. You can't check into the hostels until 2. Things we learning along the way. And just a heads up, book your hostels before you leave. Book your hostels before you get to where you go, so you don't end up like us. Also, do overnight trains so when you can sleep on the train. It's something we just learned literally right now. Because you can't check into a hostel after 11, which we also didn't know. So, just pieces of advice for next time. Overnight train, grab the hostel before. And I'm gonna say especially in big cities because we're in Berlin and it's a Tuesday, bro. Like, it's not even it's Tuesday? Wednesday. It's a Wednesday, so it's not even like a weekend and everything is booked. Quick interjection, I'm back at the crib now. But we did find out later that everything in Berlin was booked. Everything in all of Germany was actually booked because of Euro Cup. We obviously didn't know that because we don't watch soccer. But yeah, everything was booked up in Germany because of the Euro Cup. We actually got really lucky when we got to Cologne, getting the hostel we got because it was right next to the first game of the Euro Cup. Back to the video. So, yeah, just piece of advice. All right, so we are choosing plan B. We finna slide to Cologne. I really only came out here to show y'all, like, it's 3 o'clock and the sun is like coming up already. You probably can't see on video for real, but like it's not dark like it was just dark. Interesting. Super long days, short nights. Sleep schedule is beyond destroyed. And I'm hungry. So I'm finna find some food. I got about 20 minutes before I need to head to this platform. Make our way to Cologne. Got the hostel booked. And yeah, we'll be there at about 9 o'clock. So the plan is to drop off our stuff at the hostel, explore the city for a while, check in, get some grub, you know, go from there. I'll be back. All right, hold up.
Ihre nächsten Anschlüsse ICE 646 nach Düsseldorf Hauptbahnhof über Hannover Hauptbahnhof. Abfahrt 4:24 Uhr von Gleis 14. Direkt gegenüber RE3 nach Berlin Südkreuz über Berlin Potsdamer Platz. Abfahrt 4:46 Uhr von Gleis 4 und ICE 501 nach München Hauptbahnhof über Leipzig Hauptbahnhof. Abfahrt 4:30 Uhr. Heute circa 15 Minuten später.
might be the wildest day so far. Back in Berlin for a second time in the same day. And trip just got a bit more interesting.
15:04 from platform 3.